CoffeeZilla went through in a three-part series Logan Paul's crypto game called Crypto Zoo, where you like, I don't know. He kept saying he wanted it to be the next Pokemon. CoffeeZilla was like, all of this seems sketch. So people lost hundreds of thousands of dollars and the game never quite worked the way they said it would. And some people cashed out, not Logan Paul. There were people in this company that weren't doing what they were supposed to. Logan Paul said one of the main coders ran away with the code. The coder said they were never paid. There was a lot of back and forth in that. Then Logan Paul came out and kind of ripped into CoffeeZilla. And then Logan Paul came out with an apology and said, thank you, CoffeeZilla, and that they're going to rectify everything and they're going to finish the game that was never finished. And they're going to get it working right the way it was promised, and that they're going to refund some individuals. Well, yesterday, attorney Tom did a video indicating that he is suing, and there's an asterisk on it, and we're going to talk about that asterisk, suing Logan Paul and the Crypto Zoo individuals that are kind of listed out in CoffeeZilla's videos. CoffeeZilla does a great job of breaking down cryptocurrency and breaking down the crypto world, and then broke down this company, talked to people behind the scenes, got Discord chats and text messages, and really went through it.
And that's when a whistleblower stepped forward and decided enough was enough. They decided to leak me messages, team messages, from the Crypto Zoo team, from all the way back in the beginning when they thought of this idea, all the way up to launch.
Logan Paul took that as being attacked, of course, because whenever your name is in thumbnails, you can see that one is like, where? So Logan Paul took that as being attacked and started making statements and then apologies and then deleting things and another apology, and it became a giant mess. And attorney Tom is now representing a group of plaintiffs with regard to suing Logan Paul. And the reason I say suing is because he is taking it to arbitration. So it is a different process than a lawsuit that's just filed in court. Attorney Tom, in his video, which I will link so you guys can walk through it, shows the terms of service from Crypto Zoo, which they use the Wayback Machine to find. And the terms of service on Crypto Zoo have an arbitration clause. When the company forces arbitration, the company's the one that pays for arbitration. So when attorney Tom is like, no, we got hundreds of clients who have had issues with Crypto Zoo, the company who has the arbitration clause has to pay for arbitration. And when we're talking about paying for arbitration, we're talking about 20, 30, 40, 50,000 plus dollars. So if the company forces arbitration and attorney Tom is bringing hundreds of arbitration provisions because there's no class action allowed, so each one has to be individual, we're looking at millions potentially of dollars in arbitration costs for Crypto Zoo and Logan Paul.
After weeks of investigation and speaking to a significant number of Crypto Zoo victims, we've taken legal action against Crypto Zoo Incorporated, Logan Paul, Daniel Strobel, Jeff Levin, Eddie Ibanez, and Jake Greenbaum, alleging fraud, express breach of contract, implied breach of contract, unjust enrichment, violation of Delaware's prohibited trade practices, negligence, fraudulent misrepresentation, and conspiracy to commit fraud. So because these clauses are in place, there is a situation in which we may have to go to Delaware and arbitrate case after case after case after case after case after case, and so on. And that is something we are prepared to do.